This mango tree was planted in 2016 and was about 2 feet high and maybe half an inch wide at the base. Bought it at Lowe's. We're not far from the lake, as you can see, and the root system, they say, extends down as low as the tree is high, so it gets plenty of water. Very rarely do I ever remember to give it plant food, but it seems to be doing okay. It's already got probably 1,000 baby mangoes on the tree right now. Bought this one last year at about the same size that the other one started at. So at 2 years, it's doubled in size. It's almost an inch thick at the base. Supposedly this one makes fruit later in the year, but it looks to me it's at about the same stage as the other one. So we shall see when this fruit actually ripens. Normally the buds appear around February here in Central Florida, and the fruit is available to eat somewhere around May, June, July, that range. So let's see what happens this year. I do know that the babies are very sensitive to freezes, but it's been probably 4 years since we've had an actual freeze here in South Central Florida. So you do have to protect the trees during that first 3 years, but after that, they may get damaged by a freeze, but they're going to survive. See you next time.